Hello and welcome to sorting diagrams. The sorting diagrams are also what we call Venn diagrams. Let's have a look at some of the examples. So for example, here we have two circles and a circle on the left and a circle on the right. So the circle on the left has a title of odd numbers and the circle on the right has a title of 6 or higher. So odd numbers on the left-hand side of the circle are 5, which is correct, 1, which is also correct, and 3, which is also correct. Now on the right-hand side, we need to make 6 or higher. So let's have a look. So 6 is correct because 6 or higher. 10 is bigger than 6, so that's correct. 8 is bigger than 6 as well, so that's also correct. Now, any numbers that are actually within both these categories, both of these categories will go in the middle. So 7, for example, is an odd number. And so let's just stick it here, odd number, yes, and it's 6 or higher. So which means that 7 will be in both categories, but because it's overlapping, we will leave 7 in the middle. Now number 9, which you can see in the middle, is 6 or higher, which is correct. And it's also an odd number, which means it will be right in the middle of the two circles because 7 and 9 is an odd number and it's also 6 or higher. And that's the reason, because these two numbers fit into both those categories, we will have them overlapping in the middle. Now on the outside, we've got 2 and we've also got 4. Now 2 is not an odd number, so we place it outside of our circles, all right, because it doesn't match any of the categories. 4 is not an odd number and it's not 6 or higher either. So again, we will place it on the outside of our circles. So that's how Venn diagrams or sorting diagrams actually work. But let's have a look at the first example question. So choose the correct sorting diagram from the following options. So let's have a look and see which diagram makes more sense. All right, we'll go through these one by one. So 1 is an odd number, so we'll just tick it. 3 is an odd number, that's correct. 5 is an odd number, that's correct. Okay, so let's have a look on the right hand side. So 6 is 6 or higher, is correct. 8 is 6 or higher, correct. 10 is also 6 and higher, so that's correct. So let's have a look at 7 and 9, the two numbers in the middle. We've kind of done this before. So 7 is an odd number and it's higher than 6, which is correct. 9 is an odd number and it's higher than 6, which is correct. And these two even numbers, which are less than 6, will go on the outside. So this diagram completely is right. Let's have a look at the one on the right-hand side. 1 is an odd number, yes. 3 is an odd number, yes. 2 is not an odd number, so we'll cross it out. 4 is not an odd number, we'll cross it out, okay? So 6 is 6 or higher, yes. 10 is 6 or higher, yes. 7 is 6 or higher, yes. And 8 is not an odd number, so we'll just have to cross it out, but it's higher than 6. 9 is higher than 6, and it is an odd number. So straight away we can see that this particular diagram is wrong and the diagram on the left is correct. So that's how you work out sorting diagrams. Good luck with this, and we will follow this up in our next class. Thank you.